Today, we're gonna make, using our Instapot, easy Instant Pot barbecue pork ribs. This is such an easy recipe. You're gonna love it. You're probably gonna wanna run out and buy one of these babies if you haven't got one already. So hey, I'm Chef Don McMillan. Been cooking for over 6 decades, been able to travel, visit 64 countries and learn so many new techniques, including using an Instapot. Yes, this is a new technique. Haven't used one of these. This is just starting to use it, but I'm telling you what, you're gonna love it. You really are. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna do pork ribs. Now, earlier, I peeled off the connecting tissue, okay? That skin, that silver skin. I used a fork and a paper towel and just ripped it right off. You wanna do that. They never do that for you. I don't know why, but they don't. Okay, so go ahead and season salt and pepper, right? Salt and pepper, just season both sides. Let's flip it over. Get the other side. Look at these meaty ribs. Don't they look good? Now we're not cutting them up. All we're gonna do is just season them. I'll put a little more pepper over here. I like pepper, okay? Okay, good. Now, in our Instapot, I have here apple juice. Can you believe it? Apple juice. Just pour it right in there. There it goes. Take my ribs, give them a good rub. Get all that goodies in there. Yes, get a good rub. So now you see the bone right here? That's what's gonna go down right here in the pot. So that's bone side down. I'm gonna flip my flat over right over here a little bit. And then let me just wash my hands before I touch anything else, and I'll be right back. And now we're gonna put our lid on. And I want to turn it to sealing and come around here, and you can just see we are going to start with manual, and we're going to hit the plus sign, and we got it for 25 minutes. All right, you hear our Instapot cooking. So while our ribs are cooking up, let's go ahead and make my sauce, okay? So for this sauce, I'm going to use some hoisin sauce. This is a little bit sweet, but so tasty. Let's get it all in there. By the way, the recipes are going to right down below. Just click below and you'll get the full recipe for this sauce. And of course, on all my videos they are. Soy sauce. I'm using regular soy sauce. So for that, you won't have to use a whole lot of salt, okay? Because we've already seasoned our ribs. They're really good to go. Ginger. Look at this. I'm going to take my spoon and using the back, see, I put my thumb on the back and just push down like that. Look how quick the ginger just peels like that. So easy. Easy way to do it, and get to use all of your ginger rather than cutting it with a knife or even using a vegetable peeler. All I want to do is take off the skin just like that. Look. And now, using my ginger grater, this is a ginger grater, ceramic. We just go back and forth like this. And we're going to grate our ginger to get our fresh ginger flavor into our sauce. So you just need about 2-inch piece maybe. That's about it. You just want that flavor in there. And that flavor is so important. That's why you want to use fresh ginger as opposed to using dry ginger. You're going to end up with like little strings in your hand, so don't let that dismay you. See what they look like? So we're going to get down to the basics on this. Okay, ginger. Put all that fresh ginger right into our sauce. Great. Okay. Garlic. You knew I was going to use garlic, right? Got to use some fresh garlic. Let's put some garlic in our garlic press. Give it a little bit of a twist. And let's put some more in there. And use all this garlic. It is so good. And add the fresh garlic. Just adds that fresh taste to our sauce. All right, let's scrape it off. Okay. So this is toasted sesame seed oil. You want to get the toasted one. You don't want to get the plain sesame seed oil. This is the one that has the flavor. You can smell it. It is really going to wake up your sauce. Now this is a flavoring oil too. Remember that, okay? I don't like to use it as a cooking oil except to maybe add it to some oil for just a little extra flavor. Chili sauce. Oh, I love chili sauce. Put the chili sauce right in there. 5-spice powder. Now, 5-spice powder is very potent, so keep that in mind. It's very potent. You don't want to use a whole lot. A teaspoon is about all you want to use. Believe me, it has a lot of great flavor. All right, I'm using sake. You could use white wine. If you wish, you can use the Chinese wine or any of those types of things that work good. But that alcohol would really help to develop the flavor. Brown sugar. Now, I know the hoisin has some sweetness to it, but we need a little bit more, okay? And then sriracha. Isn't that wonderful? Sriracha. So good. You know, the sriracha factory in Southern California was so popular, they were making this sauce 24/7. They couldn't make it fast enough. Could not make it fast enough. They actually had, the city had an injunction against them because if you walked anywhere near that factory, you smelled the sriracha sauce. So they had to enlarge the factory, build it, and they had to get an air filtration system going. Check it out on Google. Trust me, it's amazing. That's how popular this sauce has become. I mean, we know the word sriracha. It just means good flavor, right? So let's go ahead and mix all this. Look, this is going to be our sauce for our ribs. Oh man, it's so good. Yes. Let me give it a good stir. Get a spoon here, get a little bit of a flavor taste. Got to do that. Oh man. It's got the heat. But boy, does it have the flavor. You'll love it. Okay, our ribs are ready. We depressurize it. We vented it, and now what we have to do is just take them out of the pot. Yes. Let's just reach in here and get these wonderful ribs. Yes, come on out. Look at that. They're just about ready to fall off the bone, but they're not ready yet. Let's go ahead and put them on our pan. Look at that. Okay. Here's our sauce. Liberally baste the ribs with the sauce. Hit them up. Make them happy. Don't leave out any nook or cranny. Get them all. All right, I'm going to flip it. Now I have my oven on already, okay, at 350, but I'm going to finish up with these ribs right here. Now this stock that's in there, the apple juice and the meat flavoring, all of that, you could let it cool off, refrigerate it, even freeze it. Of course, I would strain it. There is some fat in there, but I'll strain it. But the fat will come right to the top when you refrigerate it. You can use that as a wonderful stock for making any sauce, or even to make a gravy, or maybe make some more barbecue, you know? Let's do it. I'm going to put some more sauce on here. As you know, we love this sauce. Let's get it on. All right, we're ready. I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. All right, there they are. We put them into our oven, hit it with that barbecue sauce. Look at that. Doesn't it look so good? These Instapot ribs, can you believe they did it so quick? All right, we gotta cut them open because we're going to put them on our platter. Look at that. Oh, look at the meat is just falling off the bone. Delicious. Yes, we got them. You like spare ribs? They're here. Look. Look how they just fall off the bone. All right, that's enough talking. I'm going to hit them with some extra sauce also, because we love that sauce. Come on, put it on there. Yes. We are generous today with our sauce. Some more. coming up. Painted just perfect. You go down there. And how about some more over here? Yes, oh man. Barbecue Nirvana. It's right here, folks. And one more piece right in through here. All right, good. I got some green onions. I'm gonna give them a good quick slice here, because we gotta give a little bit of a garnish, right? That's it. Look. Spare ribs cooked in your Instapot. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. So please, you have to subscribe, hit that button. Let me know if you like it. Put your comments down below. Got so much to share. I'm telling you, these are delicious. So definitely support us on Patreon. We certainly can use your support. We're going to give you exclusive content. We're going to give you early access. You'll see these videos before anybody else does. Some behind the scenes nonsense, as well as we're going to do it all without ads. And you can bet that these are lip smacking, simple, and delicious.